Hi, this is Karen Burke from RazzleDazzleInk.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I'd like to share with you a technique on how you can get more mileage out of your framelits. I'm going to create an embossed edge on this die cut. And today I die cut some Whisper White cardstock using one of the dies from the Tasteful Labels framelit pack. So what I'd like to do is create an embossed edge, and I'm going to show you how to do that. All you need is some cardstock, a framelit, and a stylus tool. Now most stylus tools typically will have one end that has a large diameter ball on it, and the other end will have a smaller tip. I'm going to use the smaller tip. So I'm going to take my die cut piece of cardstock, I'm going to lay the framelit upside down, and I'm going to insert the paper right back into the framelit shape. Holding it down, I'm going to use that small tip of my stylus tool, and I'm going to just inset that right into the edge of the framelit and trace around. I'm going to do this a couple of times, and that'll impress the paper. Just go around. When you take the paper out, flip it over, it'll give you that nice embossed edge. Here's a finished project that I've made using that technique. This uses the Tasteful Touches stamp set from Stampin' Up! And this is the label die using that technique. I hope that gives you some new ideas, and hope you like that. Thanks again, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. Leave a comment. I'd love to know what you think about that. Have a great day.